The Pancake. This is it, the Pancake song. Yes, the dance that goes like this. There's lots of elbow movements. There's lots of footwork that goes with it. But we have to figure out, how do we teach this to our beginner students, our younger students, how to do the Pancake. So here is the song that breaks it down slow. So as you can see, so you hold your hands out, right? Kind of looks like another dance that we know. Hey, 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 right? It's that you just go hand, hand. You flip one hand like this. Now, eventually, you want them to start kind of rocking with it. There's also elbow motion that goes with it, like this, in and out. But we're gonna start just by the Pancake going side to side with the hands. Then to get a little rhythm or bounce in it, it'll be like this. Yeah, hands flip side to side, right? We'll work our way up to going out and in, out and in. But like for our younger students, we're just going for this motion with a little bit of bounce in it. Maybe it's, step touch side to side, something like that. All right, so let's try it. This is the Pancake song with the music.
Let's get right into this. Here we go. Yo, this is the Pancake. Everybody doing that Pancake. This is the Pancake. Everybody doing it now. Yo, put your right hand out. Put your right hand out. Put your left hand out. Put the left hand out. Now flip over that right hand. Now hold it. Now hold it. Now flip it to the right side. Yo, just flip it to the left side. Let me see you just flip it to the right side. Yo, now flip it to the left side. Now here we go. Now this is the Pancake. Everybody doing the Pancake. This is the Pancake. Everybody doing it now. This is the Pancake. Everybody doing the Pancake. This is the Pancake. Everybody doing it now. Yo, now put your right hand out. And put your left hand out. One more time. Now flip over the right hand. Yo, now hold it. Now hold it. Now flip it to the right side. Yeah, you just flip it to the left side. Come on. Now flip it to the right side. Yo, now flip it to the left side. One more time. Sing. This is the Pancake. Everybody doing the Pancake. This is the Pancake. Everybody doing it now. This is the Pancake. That's right. Everybody doing that Pancake. This is the Pancake. I like the way you're doing it now.